Hi friends, today we are making crispy tempura prawns. Very light, very crunchy and perfectly cooked. This recipe is simple and quick and tastes like a restaurant style. Let's get started. Let's see what we need. Here I have 500 grams of tiger prawns, cleaned and washed. I have made a small cut along the segment to keep them straight while frying. Then I season the prawns with lime juice, pepper, and salt. Now I am adding 2-3 teaspoons of corn flour and mix it well. For the tempura batter, I am using 3/4 cups of flour. Season it with garlic flakes, ginger powder, black pepper and chili powder, half a teaspoon each, and add a little turmeric for brighter color, and salt to taste. No sauces here, we want the natural prawn taste to come. It is very important to use icy cold water to make this batter. Don't worry, this batter doesn't need to be smooth, so there is no need to strain it. It's time to finish this by frying. Heat a pan with oil and make sure the oil is hot enough before adding the prawns. Hold the prawns by its tail, dip into the batter, and gently place into the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pan. Prawns cook very quickly, so you need to work fast. Take a little batter into your fingertips and sprinkle it over the prawns, just like I am showing. This gives that classic tempura texture. Now turn the prawns to the other side and sprinkle the batter on that side as well. Now they are perfectly cooked and ready to take off from the pan. Here is our crispy tempura prawns. Light, golden, and perfectly crunchy. This is great finger food, easy to eat and full of flavor. It's perfect for parties, family gatherings, movie nights, or as a starter for any special occasions. Serve it hot and enjoy the beautiful crunch. Thanks for watching.